scenes. So I'm getting everything set up. I'm gonna pull this over here, put my paint stuff in it, and then put the canvas on top of it, just so it's not on the ground. Get a palette ready, probably throw a few little videos together, and then get the time lapse going. Not too much.
Started as a quiet spark, now we're lighting up the dark. Found a rhythm, found our sound, feet lift off the solid ground. Hold on tight, don't look away, the night is ours, come what may. Feel the fire, feel it rise, we're lighting up the endless skies. Heartbeat.
Mom just made some Doritos for breakfast. I get about to get into this. Last bite of the burrito. Huh? Heel clicker right into the time lapse.
Breaking free, no chains remain. Only passion, only flame.
Bro. It's too good. Let me just say, if you found this video, to do today, so you're in the right place.